Ice cream lovers, get ready. Today, we're turning a classic dessert into something ridiculously fun. Ice cream tacos. Imagine crispy waffle shells stuffed with your favorite ice cream flavors, topped with sauces, fruit, and sprinkles. It's the perfect mix of crunchy, creamy, cold, and sweet. And it's so easy. You can make it at home in under 20 minutes. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need: waffle cones or waffle bowls, some melted butter, and a little sugar to make our taco shells extra crisp. For the filling, grab any ice cream flavors you love: vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, cookies and cream. Mix and match. We'll also add fresh fruits like berries or banana slices, a drizzle of chocolate or caramel sauce, and a sprinkle of nuts or crushed cookies for crunch. Feel free to get creative. This recipe is all about fun customization. Let's start with the shells. If you're using waffle cones, cut along one side so you can open them up. If you've got waffle bowls, just slice them in half to create a taco shape. Now here's the trick. We want them soft enough to bend without breaking. Warm them in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds or pop them in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, about 150 degrees Celsius, for 2 to 3 minutes. Once they're pliable, gently bend them over a thick wooden spoon handle or a folded piece of foil until they look like mini tacos. Brush lightly with melted butter and, if you're feeling fancy, sprinkle on some sugar for that caramelized crunch. Set them aside to cool completely. This will help them hold their shape when we add the ice cream. Now for the best part, the filling. Take your cooled waffle taco shells and add a generous scoop of ice cream. You can stick to one flavor or create a rainbow with 2 or 3 different ones. Between scoops, tuck in slices of strawberries, bananas, or even chunks of brownie for extra indulgence. This is where you can have fun. Think of it like building your dream sundae, but inside a taco shell. Make sure to pack the ice cream in gently so the shell doesn't crack. Let's take these tacos from delicious to irresistible. Drizzle chocolate or caramel sauce over the ice cream so it melts just slightly into the scoops. Add a swirl of whipped cream on top. High and fluffy, just like an ice cream shop. For garnish, sprinkle on crushed nuts for crunch, rainbow sprinkles for fun, or cookie crumbs for that extra bite. If you're making these for guests, you can even set up a DIY ice cream taco bar, where everyone builds their own. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Here's a little tip: if you want to prepare these ahead for a party, fill the waffle shells with ice cream and toppings, then place them on a parchment-lined tray and freeze for 30 to 60 minutes. This helps the ice cream set and keeps the shells from getting soggy too fast. When it's time to serve, just pull them out and enjoy. No last-minute stress. Okay, moment of truth. That first bite is pure joy. The crunch of the waffle, the creamy cold ice cream, and all those toppings working together. It's everything you love about dessert, but with a playful twist that will put a smile on anyone's face. And that's it. Your homemade ice cream tacos are ready to steal the show at your next party, family dinner, or weekend treat. If you tried this recipe, tag me on Instagram at PlatterPulse. I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more quick and fun recipes just like this. Until next time, stay sweet, stay creative, and keep cooking with love.